sales booking. That had disappointed in the previous quarter when it came at 1 million square feet, and that's further fallen down to 500,000 square feet. Can you give us the key reason for that, and what can we expect in Q2?
Yeah, so as compared to last quarter we had done Home Buying Festival Nest Fest, as a result of which the bookings were very high last quarter. This quarter saw launch of one project, Ivy Estate Phase 2, which contributed to booking of 500,000 square feet, totaling to about 300 crores, with an average price realization of 6,057 rupees a square feet, which was up 8% year on year. As compared to the financial performance, the revenues were up 176 crores, 12% year on year up. EBITDA came in at rupees 48 crores, largely unchanged because of expensing out the sales and marketing expenditure corresponding to the launch of this large project. And yeah.
Okay, what is the reason your interest costs have risen to nearly 14 crores this quarter? I mean, what's your debt at?
No, so the debt is at 328 crores, which is 0.19 times debt to equity. This was, if you see, the debt includes the debenture interest that we get from our subsidiaries and also the bank interest. So the bank interest has remained pretty much unchanged. Debenture interest, because of our investments in subsidiaries are structured as debentures, it's cumulative of both the numbers put together.
Sujay, the company has guided for revenues and profitability to expand in the second half of FY16. Could you give us some numbers? What are we staring at in terms of a revenue run rate as well as margins?
Yeah, so we expect the revenue and profit to improve from second half, mainly guided by more contribution from 100% owned projects, like the recently launched 3 Jewels, another project in Bavdhan, and a couple of more actually. As a policy, we don't give any revenue or profitability guidance. For the pre-sales guidance this year, we have given a guidance of 3.5 to 4 million square feet of new sales.
Okay. But considering in Q1 you've only done 500,000 square feet, will you be able to do 3 to 3.5 million square feet of new sales or pre-bookings in Q2 to Q4 in 3 quarters?
Yeah, if you look at typically the sales trends for us over the last 3 to 4 years, it has always been back-ended. In fact, 70% of last year's pre-sales came in the second half of this year. In our presentation, we have also highlighted what all launches we plan to do in what all quarters. So we are pretty confident that we will achieve the guidance.
Okay, and this employee cost, is it a one-off, the kind of hike that we've seen over there? Is it just a one-off?
Yes, that is right. We have changed our accounting standards to be in line with the new accounting standards that are expected to be applicable for the next financial year, where the employee cost as well as the other sales and marketing costs not only includes actual incurred, but also includes what has been provisioned for the remainder of this financial year. The total provisions for this quarter is to the tune of rupees 3 crore, which has reduced the PAT.
By the way, Sujay, just stay on. Let's pull up the Asian market screen. Shanghai, we understand, has ended with it's not ended.